Are you looking for top-notch 3D scanning services in Gurgaon Sector 23, Delhi NCR? Look no further, because Scon Design India Pvt Ltd is here to exceed your expectations. With their state-of-the-art technology and skilled team, they offer the best 3D scanning services in the area. Whether you need to scan a small object or a large structure, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd has got you covered. Their attention to detail and precision will ensure that every scan is accurate and of the highest quality. Scon Design India Pvt Ltd has established itself as a leader in the field of 3D scanning services. Their team of experts are well-trained and experienced, ensuring that every project is completed with utmost professionalism. They utilize the latest scanning technology to capture every intricate detail of your object, whether it's for industrial purposes or creative design. Their commitment to delivering exceptional results sets them apart from the competition. What makes Scon Design India Pvt Ltd stand out from other 3D scanning service providers is their dedication to customer satisfaction. They understand the importance of meeting deadlines and delivering on their promises. With their efficient workflow and quick turnaround time, you can trust that your project will be completed on time every time. Their friendly and knowledgeable staff are always available to answer any questions or concerns you may have, making the entire process smooth and hassle-free. Not only does Scon Design India Pvt Ltd offer top 3D scanning services, but they also provide additional services such as reverse engineering, prototyping, and CAD modeling. This comprehensive approach ensures that they can meet all your needs under one roof. Are you in need of top-notch 3D scanning services in Gurgaon Sector 23, Delhi NCR? Look no further, because Scon Design India Pvt Ltd is here to fulfill all your scanning needs. As a leading provider of 3D scanning services, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd has gained a reputation for delivering high-quality and accurate scans that exceed expectations. With their state-of-the-art equipment and expert team, they ensure that every detail is captured with precision and clarity. Whether you need scanning services for industrial applications, product design, or even architectural purposes, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd has got you covered. Their commitment to excellence and customer satisfaction sets them apart as the top choice for 3D scanning services in the area. What makes Scon Design India Pvt Ltd stand out from the competition is their dedication to delivering exceptional results. Their team of skilled professionals utilizes the latest technology and techniques to provide the most accurate and detailed scans possible. With their expertise, they can capture even the most intricate details, ensuring that every scan is of the highest quality. Whether you need a small object or a large-scale project scanned, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd has the capabilities to handle it all. Scon Design India Pvt Ltd understands the importance of time and efficiency when it